Welcome to FDM, where we empower people and organizations with the skills they need to thrive in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. We're excited to introduce you to our innovative FDM Pod Model, a cornerstone of our upskilling approach.
At FDM, we recognize that success hinges not only on individual expertise, but on effective teamwork and adaptability. That's why we introduced the FDM Pod Model, a strategic framework designed to cultivate cross-functional teams.
These teams are specifically crafted to rapidly acquire and apply essential skills, ensuring seamless deployment readiness.
Imagine specialized teams where collaboration and upskilling take the lead. FDM pods replicate real-world client scenarios, fostering innovation and driving tangible outcomes.
Within this immersive project environment, guided by seasoned coaches, teams engage in experiential learning on simulated projects. This hands-on approach allows them to refine their skills and gain invaluable practical experience.
So whether you're a consultant looking to take your career to new heights, or a client in need of highly skilled, innovative consultants, FDM and our pod model are here to help you stay ahead.
Contact us today to learn more about how FDM can power your success.